On the 4th and 5th of December, Tuk Tuk three-wheelers done a service campaign for TVS King in Maragondon, Cavite. We started with a parade through the town, as you can see. Even had an XL100 join in with the TVS King. And then back to the basketball court where we held the service campaign. A service campaign with a difference. We like to step things up, we like to take things a step further. Not only was it a service campaign, it was a social meeting. Here you can see TVS Motorcycle Club come all the way down from Manila to join us. And you can see how people are socialising. Eventually the motorcycle riders were mingling in, talking to the TVS King drivers. And here you can see, we don't just do services, we have parts, we have accessories. We're up in the game. This is the way service campaigns should be. Not just somewhere you go for a service. And we went far further than just changing the oil. As you can see on this one, Nolan doing a cylinder head gasket. So it's not just a case of changing oil. Every vehicle we do a 5-point check on, and if it needs more, if we have the time, we'll do it. And here's Ken surfacing XL100 motorcycle. And here I'm explaining to one of the motorcycle drivers how to drive before he goes for a test drive in TVS King. And the motorcycle club leaves, they're now off up to the tunnel. And we had a bit of fun. Here's the president of Tuk Tuk three-wheelers, riding around on a bike. Wow, look at that speed. We entertained and we fed the local children. So mixing in with the community. We demonstrated the ability of the TVS King. And we also showed that women can drive the TVS King as well.